Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cloudmersive YouTube channel. For the next video in our Power Automate tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to quickly transform an image into an artistic painting version using the Cloudmersive Image Processing Connector in Power Automate. This flow is perfect for quickly stylizing photos without having to open the file and do a lot of manual editing work. Let's get started. From the Power Automate homepage, click on Create and select Instant Cloud Flow on the next page. From there, give your flow a name, and then select the option to manually trigger a flow. Once done, click Create at the bottom once again. On the Flow Design page, click New Step and start typing Get File Content into the search bar. This operation will pull the image file that we want to process, so navigate below to find the relevant option for the application your file is saved in. Mine is saved in SharePoint, so I'm selecting that option and then selecting the SharePoint site address. To get your file, click on the file icon below and navigate the folder path until you find it. Once selected, you can move on to the next step. When you're ready, click New Step once again. This time, type Cloudmersive into the search bar. Below, you'll see a list of Cloudmersive connectors with different colored logos. The one we want is the Cloudmersive Image Connector with the yellow logo, so you can go ahead and select that. To use this connector, you'll need to supply your Cloudmersive API key during this step. If you don't have one, you can easily get one by registering a free account on our website. Once you enter your key into this connector, it will save for the next use like mine has, and you won't have to worry about it again. When you're ready, start typing Artistic into the search bar and then select the only option that comes up below. For this action, you'll need to satisfy 3 separate parameters. The first parameter allows you to define the artistic style that will be used to transform the image. The options are Udni, Wave, LA Muse, and Rain Princess. To use any of those options, type in the one you want and enclose it with double quotes. I'm going to use the Udni option for the sake of this demonstration, but you can use whichever one you want. For the final 2 parameters of this action, you'll need to make sure the file content and file name are both included. Click on the first bar and select File Content from the Dynamic Content window. Then, for the second bar, copy and paste the file name from the previous step. The flow is almost done, and it's time for one final step. Click New Step and type Create File into the search bar. Select the option that aligns with the application you want the new file to end up in. I'm using SharePoint again, so I'm once again selecting that option and selecting my site address directly after. In this step, you'll need to specify where the new image should be saved, what the name of it should be, and what the contents should be that are included in it. Start by clicking on the folder icon and following the folder path to the folder you want to use. Then, give your file a name that includes the proper suffix for your file type. Finally, click on the File Content bar and select Body from the Dynamic Content window. Body is the output content from this operation. It's time to now save and test the flow. Click Save at the bottom, and then click Test in the upper right corner of the page when you're ready. Select the option to manually trigger the flow, and then click Test at the bottom, followed by Continue and Run Flow. This operation can take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute, but you'll know the flow worked when green check marks appear in the upper right corner of each operation. Any obvious errors will usually pop up immediately on the right-hand side of the page. To make sure the new flow worked exactly as intended, however, we need to check the destination folder to ensure the new file is there. As you can see here, I now have a transformed artistic version of the original file I used. Just like that, you can put simple image transformation needs to rest. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more of our Power Automate tutorials in the near future.